When people hear the term synchronized sports, many think of swimming, but how about skating? Synchronized skating is a sport that combines the artistry of dance with the technical precision and competition of sports. Over the weekend, Boston's Team Excel Collegiate went to nationals for synchronized skating in Peoria, Illinois, and among the team was Needham High School alum Olivia Lynch. Here's Catherine Brody to take us through their journey.
Over the weekend, the Excel Collegiate team went to the national competition for synchronized skating, or synchro as they call it. I caught up with them at the Boston Skating Club beforehand to speak with team member and Needham High School alum Olivia Lynch.
Skating's really fun for me. I love the feeling of gliding along the ice. I think that's really cliche for someone to say of why they love skating, but it's hard to put words to. It's just one of those things that I can't imagine not doing. When I graduated high school, I thought college is my time to do something else, take a break, step back. And then I was there for about 2 weeks, called my mom, and signed myself right back up.
Olivia is no stranger to the hard work involved in synchro. At age 10, she was inspired by a coach to try out and has been skating with Excel ever since. Sticking with the sport has paid off since Nationals is a high achievement for the group.
Nationals is big for us. We're one of the few collegiate programs in the country that only practices once a week. Most other teams are at least twice, and it's a lot easier for them to practice as often as they do because they're all on the same campus. At Team Excel, we're a conglomerate instead, so everyone on the team goes to a different college. We're on different schedules. We've, different lives. We have to come different distances to get here to practice.
Although the team makes the routines look effortless, they have long, repetitive practices, rehearsing an hour and a half off the ice and 2.5 hours on it to perfect each formation. At Nationals this year, they performed a fiery routine to a medley of songs by the burlesque girl group, the Pussycat Dolls.
So to compete on our collegiate team, you have to have passed novice moves in the field, which is like a footwork test, and then you have to be like a full-time college student. We make the most of every hour that we have together, just sort of pushing as hard as we can once we're on the ice. So a lot of focus, a lot of time.
Along with the acclaimed honor of qualifying for nationals, the team skated one of their best performances in Illinois, placing 8th in the country out of 90 teams. Overall, they scored 79.82, a season's best for them.
I love synchro specifically because I think that skating itself can be a really individualistic culture, community, really cutthroat. And being on a synchro team means that you always have a group of people around you. Plus, I think it's a lot more mentally challenging to be on a synchronized skating team because there's all of these different dynamics that never come into play when you're a single skater. Skating behind or next to somebody, I think, is really challenging, and I find that fun.
To keep up with the team or see upcoming skating performances, you can follow them on Instagram or go to excelsynchro.org. On the ice for Needham Channel News, this has been Catherine Brody.